Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. In the past couple of weeks, watching as much television as I have been, I saw a couple of hairstyles that I kind of wish that I had, but in all reality, I will never have. Namely on Dead to Me with Christina Applegate, there is a police officer with super fun hair, and then on Working Moms, there is a blonde lady that has hair similar to what I am going to try to achieve today, which is super natural curls. Now, for the most part, my hair is super straight. My hair is clean from yesterday, and the only thing it really has in it is dry shampoo, which I kind of wish that I would have put some heat protectant, because this thing has been sitting here on fire for the past 10 minutes, so I've turned it down a little bit. This is also a Conair curling iron, which I'm a little scared to use because it looks like the one that I shared with you guys how much I hated. Hopefully this one's better. Anyway, it's the only one we have that is teeny tiny, and this is going to take me for friggin' ever, but I'm doing it. Now before we start, I am going to do one curl on top, otherwise I will start on the bottom half of my hair. But if I take this little of a piece, it'll take a long time. Is it even going to stay in there? Yes. Oh boy. Let's see how hot that is. It's hot enough. Wow. Oh, okay, so my hair's not that long, especially since Ava had her way with my hair. What? Is it going to make my hair a lot shorter, which I'm totally okay with. I love short, curly hair. Boing. Wow. So we know that it works, don't we? I don't actually have that much hair. Look, a brown piece from underneath. Does it match the rest of my hair? No. All right. This curling iron's much better than the one that I hated with every bone in my body and hair on my head. It's a better one, actually. So there's that. Let's turn it up a smidge. So there will be a part of this video that I will speed it up because we're going to be here a while. You know what I also want to do, especially with this hair? I would think that if I had super curly hair, I would have freckles. That would just be part of the whole deal. So we'll also think about that. I mean, that shrinks my hair a good 3 inches, doesn't it? Doesn't it? All right, I think we're ready for the next, unless I missed any. Let's see how long we've been filming. 20 minutes. Is that too much hair I took down? What happened to this one? All right, I'm gonna start at the back. So I think I'm gonna stop filming. I knew this would happen. I have no patience, but I'm gonna stop filming for a little bit and continue this. So I'll see you guys when this side is done. Yeah, this took a while, and I'm not so sure that I want to take the time to do the other side. What I really do want to do, though, is run my fingers through this mess. I want it big, big. Here I go. All right, well, I can't run my fingers through it very well. So I've been watching a lot of the hair bleach fails on YouTube, and while I sit there and cringe as these girls and boys' hair falls out of their head or breaks in the middle. I'm pretty sure that what I did to my hair today was equally as damaging, especially at the ends, because you start down below with the curling iron and roll it up, and by the time you get up here, this one is burned to a crisp. Now, even though I did go back in with the curling iron and just loop around the part that's closest to my scalp, I think it's too weighed down to be curly. I'm super fun. I'm super boring. What if I flip some over to the other side? I think I'm finally over being jealous of the curly-haired girls that I've seen on TV. It's not a good look for me. Anyway, I am glad that I could see how much I don't like it, so I don't have to do this side, but I'm bummed that I didn't do this side instead of this side, because there's twice as much hair over here. Anyway, that's it, you guys, for this video on pretty much nothing and wasting about an hour and a half of my time on this. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. No, you didn't. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.